the living room, showing the foyer. Of course, the entertainment area, the entrance to the dining room with the kitchen in the background, the sliding glass doors to the covered lanai. The living room, that's the entrance to the master bedroom. You can see how large it is. That's the area for the TV set. The entrance to the laundry room and garage. And the dining room. This is the dining room, the entrance to the kitchen, the glass doors out to the covered lanai, the entrance to the living room, the hallway to the foyer, door to the garage. Kitchen, showing the door to the office and the sliding glass door to the pool deck, and a nice window over the sink. Nice window over the sink, undermount sink. And that's the door to the... This is the office, looking into the kitchen. That's the door to the fourth bedroom. Bedroom number 4 opens to the office. That's the closet. The entrance to bedroom number 3. And the entrance to bath number 3. Bathroom number 3 is a full handicap compliant bath. Roll-in, roll-out shower, elevated toilet, and elevated vanity. Bedroom, sliding glass door to the lanai. Entrance to the bathroom, door to the large walk-in closet. Master bath. Nice sized pool and a very large covered lanai area. Backyard showing the canal. Fenced in area. That's a pool cover.